got DOOGEE V20, and let me show you how to change the date and time on this device. So at first you need to reach Settings, then find and select System, and go to Date and Time. And here, smoothly switch off network provided time and set date and time manually by yourself. As you can see, from now on, it's up to you what date and time it currently is. You can also manage your time zone. It's actually working the same, so smoothly switch off network provided time zone and then select the one that you would like to apply. And that's it. So this is how you can manage date and time. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.